How to add follow button on Facebook profile and mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. And here, simply click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down in here and click on how people find and contact you. In here, click on who can send your friend requests and make sure it's everyone in here. After you click on everyone, press on save at the bottom. After you've saved it, simply go back to the list. After you're in the list, simply scroll down in here again and click on posts. After you click on post, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on who can see your future post at the top and make sure it's public as well. Then go back and click on followers and public content. After you've clicked on followers and public content, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on who can follow me at the top and make sure it's public and then save it at the bottom. After you do that, if anybody sees your profile, they will see a follow button. And this is how to add follow button on Facebook profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.